Let's try the L-shaped support bracket model. Go to the Features tab and select Linear Pattern. Click this edge as the pattern direction. In the Features to Pattern box, select the Cut Extrude One Hole to duplicate. Set the spacing to 3 inches and the number of instances to 3. Switch to the front view to see the pattern more clearly. If everything looks correct, click OK to complete the operation. Now let's try another pattern. Select Linear Pattern again and set the view to isometric. Choose this edge as the pattern direction. In the Features to Pattern box, select the Cut Extrude 3 hole. Set the spacing to 0.5 inches and the number of instances to 13. Switch to the top view for a clearer preview. Now what if we need to remove some holes from the pattern? For this, we use Instances to skip. Click Instances to skip to activate it. Signs will appear on the pattern preview in the graphics area. Click on a sign to exclude that instance and click it again to bring it back. In this example, I'll exclude 1 hole in the middle, 2 holes in the middle on the left side, and 2 holes in the middle on the right side. The pattern looks good now, so click OK to complete the operation. All right, set the view back to isometric and make sure to save our work.